Solar is the most abundant energy source on Earth. But how do you turn this into this? In this video, we'll explore how SunPower systems turn sunlight into usable electricity and how that energy can help reduce your electric bill. When sunlight hits a solar cell, that energy is converted into electrons. As these electrons pass through the solar cell, they're converted into direct current electricity. And the more sunlight a solar cell converts, the more electricity it can produce. Here's where SunPower Maxion cells really shine. Their unique light-trapping surface and ultra-pure silicon help them convert more sunlight, even on cloudy days, and deliver more savings over time. Next, the electricity is sent to an inverter, which converts it into alternating current power, the type of power you use in your home. In many traditional or conventional solar systems, this takes place in a bulky external inverter. But every SunPower Equinox solar panel features a built-in microinverter to convert the power right at the source, boosting efficiency and enhancing system aesthetics. After that, the electricity is ready for use, running through your home to power appliances, charge devices, and more. But what if your system generates more energy than you're using? In many areas, you can send that excess energy back to the grid for a credit on future electric bills, a process known as net metering. You can also store the excess energy on site with SunPower's SunVault storage system and access it during peak times, evenings, or power outages to reduce your dependency on the grid. And with SunVault storage, you get 2 times the power of conventional storage systems, not to mention more charge and discharge cycles, so you can run more of your home in a grid outage and get more lifetime use out of your battery. And if you ever wonder how your system is performing, you can quickly check in on the My SunPower monitoring app, including real-time updates on system production, energy bill savings, and more. Now that you know how SunPower Solar works, find out what it can do for you. From lowering your monthly electricity bills to changing the way you think about energy. Visit sunpower.com today to set up your free online consultation and see how much you can save with SunPower.